Miss Heidi. This would be our classroom if we were reading together, but I thought I'd come to school and give you guys a tour anyway. Come on in. All right, let's start over here. This is where we keep all our office supplies and markers and papers. And then over here is where we put our reading strategies for reference. If you get confused about something, you would come up and take a look at those. This is our campfire circle. We keep the Christmas tree up year round with lights on, and we have a lovely campfire, which is awesome. And this is where I would usually sit and teach you, and we would come and we'd talk, and people who are presenting book talks would come and sit here and present to the class. Come on over here. This is where I kind of keep some personal photos of my family, and I'll show you pictures of them later. And then I also have some travel patches and some postcards from our travels around. This is where I sit and grade all your work. More importantly though, this section over here under the windows is really important for you guys because this is where we keep all of the best books. So we have all of these bins and they're labeled for like love stories or all around books or best of fantasy. And I'll be putting this on the Power School page and listing out these books for you. So if you want to go and find them, you can. This is where you would normally check out library books and check them back in right here. And then if you want to note that our library starts right here, this is the nonfiction section. So we have a lot of good biographies and autobiographies. We have a lot of YouTuber biographies. We have cookbooks, we have travel books, and then over here is our historical fiction book club section. And we've got some really, really good ones there. Lori Halse Anderson, if you haven't heard of her, she does fantastic stuff. This is our realistic fiction. Anything with orange stickers is realistic fiction. And then the lime green stickers are the fantasy sci-fi dystopians. Now, our library is organized by genre, right? So the nonfiction, historical, realistic, and fantasy. And then within that, it's organized by author's last name. But we do keep bins for like really popular authors like Suzanne Collins and Roald Dahl. Let's see. One other thing that I need to mention to you is that on all the books, they have two stickers. They have one for the genre, like an RF for realistic fiction, but they also have another sticker that has the reading level. So this one's a level Z. And let's continue the tour over here. Mostly, if we look at the desk and table arrangements, throughout the year we would take turns like sitting independently for independent work and working as groups. So this seating plan is really flexible and it changes a lot as we go through the year. That's all I really wanted to say about the room tour. I'm sure I'll do some other videos for you, and I'm super excited to see what this crazy year has in store. Thanks.